page 20 alright? Pleased to see you again. I am Sotheany. Today, we are going to continue with lesson 23, the story about King Herod. So, today we have 6 words to learn together. Are you ready? Let's start it. First word is travel. Travel. Spell T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. Example: I want to travel around the world. I want to travel around the world. Second word, trip. Trip. Spell T-R-I-P. Trip. Example: on the weekend, I have a trip with my family. On the weekend, I have a trip with my family. Third, vacation. Vacation spell V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N. Vacation. Example: in my vacation, I want to go to Paris. In my vacation, I want to go to Paris. Fourth, relax. Relax. Spell R-E-L-A-X. Relax. Example: this is my vacation, so I will relax for a few days in Paris. This is my vacation, so I will relax for a few days in Paris. Fifth, flight. Flight spell F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. Example: I had a flight out yesterday afternoon. I had a flight out yesterday afternoon. The last word is board a flight. Board a flight spell B-O-A-R-D-A-F-L-I-G-H-T. Board a flight. Example: this is my first time that I bought a flight. This is my first time that I bought a flight. Okay, everyone, I will repeat the word again. Please listen and repeat after me. Travel. Travel. Trip. Trip. Vacation. Vacation. Relax. Relax. Flight. Flight. Board a flight. Board a flight. Thank you so much, everyone, for your spending time with me. Please don't forget make the sentence or sentences by using the word that we have learned and leave it in a comment. If you do it right, we give you exam up. If it's not, we will have check. If you want to learn full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.